Can you bring a laptop on a plane? It's a question that's been on the minds of many tech-savvy individuals and digital nomads. So, let's dive right in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's address the big question. Yes, you can bring a laptop on a plane. Laptops are generally allowed as carry-on items, but there are a few important guidelines to keep in mind to ensure a smooth and hassle-free journey. First and foremost, when you're going through the security checkpoint, you'll be required to remove your laptop from its bag and place it in a separate tray. This allows the security officers to get a clear X-ray image of the device. Remember to pack your laptop in a way that makes it easily accessible. Consider using a laptop sleeve or a dedicated compartment in your bag, as it helps protect your device and makes it more convenient to remove during the security screening process. Once you're on the plane, you'll have no trouble using your laptop during the flight. In fact, laptops are a common sight among passengers. Whether they are working, watching movies, or simply staying entertained. However, it's important to note that during takeoff and landing, the airline may request you to stow your laptop in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. This is primarily for safety reasons, as electronic devices can potentially interfere with the aircraft's navigation systems during critical phases of the flight. Another aspect to consider is international travel. If you're flying internationally, it's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the customs regulations of your destination country. Some countries may have specific rules regarding the importation of electronic devices, including laptops. To avoid any complications, it's advisable to keep your laptop with you throughout the journey and declare it if required. Be sure to check the specific customs regulations before you travel to ensure a smooth entry into your destination country. So, there you have it, folks. Bringing a laptop on a plane is absolutely allowed, and it's a convenient way to stay connected, productive, or entertained during your flight. Safe travels, and we'll see you in our next adventure.